You are struggling with these questions that have you find the missing information. And I think I made a recording on this, but I suggested you use a Venn diagram, and I've been thinking about it more, and I think a frequency table might be better. So let's take a look at this. Student Mr. Alvarez's class is either a junior or senior. He took some students on a field trip. And then 32 juniors in his class, 3/4 went on the trip, 33 seniors from his class went on the trip. So I think what might be best for us to do here is to make a 3x3 grid. And we're going to have, maybe it needs to be more. We'll have seniors and juniors. And then we'll have went on the field trip, no field trip. And then I guess we do need another column because we want totals. So we need a 3x3 grid for the numbers. Okay. So everyone is a junior or senior. He took some students from his class on a field trip. Of the 32 juniors in his class, so total of 32 juniors in his class, 3/4 went on the field trip. So 3/4 of 32, well, 1/4 of 32 is 8, and 8 times 3 is 24 went on the trip. So 24 juniors went on the trip. 33 seniors from his class went on the trip. So let's think about what else we can do. We can add these together and say 57 students went on the trip. And if 24 went on the field trip, 24 juniors, and there's a total of 32, we know that 8 did not go on the field trip. So this is what we know. So depending on what it asks, if it asks, for example, how many students are in the class, that would be a total here. There's not enough information to tell that. If it asks how many juniors went on the field trip, we can say 24. If it asks how many seniors went on, we can say. If we can ask how many total students, we can say. If it asks how many juniors did not go on the field trip, we can say that. But we can't say anything about how many seniors did not go on. We don't know about the total of seniors. We don't know how many total students did not go on the field trip. So if it's asking about any of these 4 boxes, there's not enough information. I think that might help some of you who are struggling to answer these kinds of questions.